Good morning and welcome to week November 2nd, 11/2 it should say on the side of your packet. Right over here I put the week, and I also put some important asterisk information here. For example, on this week, 11/3 is our all virtual day. So Tuesday, November 3rd, tomorrow, we're going to have a different schedule. And I will send that out in Dojo, and you might have a couple different activities to do as well. And that'll all be on Class Dojo and in my Google Classroom. Okay, so I just wanted to go over what was included in this packet this week. This week we have our needs, past and present, and it's a level A book. So this is a nice simple book. So as you're reading it with your child daily, all right, you can have them find the page numbers. It's very simple. There's also, if you see, I just flipped open to a page, but there's some pictures in a circle, and you want to bring their attention to that circle. So, for example, when you read this page, have them touch and read, they both need water. Touch water, and you can have them point to water, okay, because that's the important part of the story. Okay, you can also tell them to match the water in the picture, all right, if they're good at matching. But that's just something, as you go along and read, something to do. Just like before in previous videos, I had said have them touch the numbers so they learn page numbers. Touch page 3. Have them turn the page. Okay, little things like that will help them tremendously with what I'm trying to do in school. There's also a communication board that goes along with this, so feel free to ask your child yes and no questions to check for comprehension of the story. You can also talk about, Henry. If you come across a page with Henry, touch Henry. All right, and this is just to help your child communicate. Use this to help ask them questions. All right, the next thing is our 5-question comprehension page. And there's one question on every page. Feel free to cover up an answer and have them choose between 2, okay, but have them read the question with them as they're touching and reading, and then say this or this, okay. Remember, if they get they aren't focused, feel free to just do one question a day. This week is a short week because we only have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, you're off for teacher convention. And with Tuesday being the all virtual day, you really only have 3 days this week. So however you need to change it up, you can. Then I have the same comprehension questions, but they're all just on one page. Okay, same thing. If you need to cover up some answer choices, if it's too overwhelming for them, okay, you could do this and cover up one and just have them choose between the 2. So all these are little modifications that we do in the classroom that I really need your help doing at home. Okay, our spelling list for this week, okay, and it's just really getting them to hold a pencil and help guide them through the letters. Some of my guys, your goals are just vertical lines, so you can just have them trace the vertical lines. You don't have to do every letter. You can have them, if their name has a D in it, just trace the D's, or an M, just trace the M's, okay, or have them find the M's, all right, all those little things. So these papers that I'm sending home, you might be thinking, whoa, they're way over their head, but what you need to remember is we simplify all of these things, okay? And if you ever have questions about a specific assignment that you need help with simplifying, just let me know, and I can do a video where I'm just showing you how to simplify that one page. All right, next I have some math pages, all right, and we go 1 to 5, all right, and then this is 1 to 10. Notice the numbers are already there. Have them trace over the number or have them count the CDs. You can also cut these out and have them just match which one goes with it, okay? The next thing I thought would be fun, something creative to do this week, is make a rain stick. The kids really love these in the classroom. You just take a paper towel holder, You don't need to use the things on here. You can have them paint it, color it, whatever you want to do. But really it's just putting some rice in there and sealing up the ends, and this way it helps them, listen to it, and they really, really love these rain sticks. Okay, but these are just directions, what you need. And like I said, you don't have to do it, perfection. It's just doing, these are little ideas that you can do with them. That's kind of off the language arts, math, science, social studies path. All right, something creative to do with them. Next, patterns page. Patterns are very, very important. All my guys, these are most of your goals. All right, so you can just say axe, barrel, axe, barrel, axe. What comes next? You can have them choose from here, or you can have them just do the choice of 2. Okay, depending on what level your kid is. All right, so there's the choices at the bottom. Next is a picture of 4 hose. I'm not sure how this got in there or what it was for with, so you can just throw that out. If you want to do that to practice touching counting, go for it. All right, this is just some simple matching things. Notice one picture of pizza has the word and the picture, and then this is just the picture. So you can play a simple match game with it, cut them out, turn them over, and have them find the other pizza. Have them find the burger, the taco. It's all, highly motivated items here that most of them know what they are. So use that as a fun game. And lastly is our journal writing. Okay, I put this in the first week because it is for the whole month. Don't feel like you have to do it all this first week. But with each entry, so journal 2, okay, these pictures go with journal 2. All right, and then the next one is journal 3, and there's pictures behind it that go with it. So you can have them touch and point. It's just interesting to see what they would pick, what they would put there. And then read it back to them, and sometimes they're silly. It's just something fun, but it's also getting them to, practice their journal writing. All right, so have a great week, and stay tuned, for the 11/3 virtual day instructions that I will post as well. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.